Hello, my name is Tyrell, and today I will be demonstrating the portfolio optimization project. This project allows users to choose a particular set of stock assets along with a few other constraints, and in the end be provided with percentages on how to invest into each asset. All right, so let's get into it. All right, this here is the application. The first step is for the user to choose the assets they want to invest in. They can put them in manually, or they can upload them using a CSV file. So I'm going to input them manually. Let's choose a few assets. Need to be separated by a comma. So Meta, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. All right. And they can choose whether they want to upload the data to the database only. We're not going to do that. We're going to go to the portfolio settings. You get to choose a risk-free rate. I'm going to choose 5% or 0.05. Choose whether shorting is allowed. I'm going to keep that at false, and I'm going to keep that here at maximize returns, but they get to choose maximize returns or minimize risk. Once that is done, you will click on run manual input. Now data is being pulled from the stock API. There's some comparison being done with the data that's already present in the database to make sure it only uploads new data. It's then transferred to storage location. And then the portfolio optimization process is kicked in, where it's utilizing the data that's already stored in the database. Also, some checks are being done in order to check for data quality and data integrity to make sure there isn't any duplicate data within the database as well. So these are the results. You're expected a return of 24.35% with a 5.25% risk. And these are the allocation percentages here for each asset, and this is the resulting graph from the portfolio optimization. So let's get into the data architecture. Here, as I mentioned before, there's two particular APIs that I'm pulling data from. We have the financial modeling prep and Y Finance APIs. I'm doing what is called incremental loading, so it's only updating data in the database with new data. I'm pulling this data using Python and interfacing with the S3 bucket using a module called Bottle3. Once the data is stored into the S3 bucket, I'm using a Lambda function that's checking for events. So when an event occurs in the S3 bucket, data is automatically pulled from the bucket and then stored within the database. I'm using DBT in order to perform transformations within the database within this ELT architecture. Once the data has been transformed within the database, the stock prediction model kicks in and performs the portfolio optimization. All right, that is a brief introduction of the portfolio optimization application. Hope you guys enjoyed it. For more information, you can visit my GitHub page by going to github.com/Tyralls. That is Tyralls. Thank you.